Domestic versus international equity ETFs. When evaluating an ETF's pricing, the value of its underlying basket of securities serves as the key reference point. For domestic equity funds, this process is straightforward since the underlying securities often trade simultaneously with the ETF shares during market hours. For international equity ETFs, the process becomes more complex. European underlying securities. European and U.S. market hours partially overlap, 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. ET, allowing ETF prices to reflect real-time values of the European assets during this window. Once European markets close, the indicative net asset value, INF, of the ETF stabilizes, as no updated prices are available. Asian underlying securities. Asian market hours do not overlap with U.S. market hours. In this case, ETFs act as price discovery tools, with traders estimating the value of the underlying assets using available information. Fixed income ETFs, a different market dynamic. Fixed income ETFs introduce distinct considerations due to the decentralized and opaque nature of bond markets compared to equities. Premiums and discounts. Unlike equities, bonds are priced based on their bid values, often resulting in ETFs trading at a slight premium to the net asset value, NAV. ETF prices typically move within an arbitrage band, offering investors narrower spreads compared to the underlying bonds. Matrix pricing. Many bonds trade infrequently, with some transacting only a few times a day or week. Matrix pricing estimates bond values by analyzing securities with similar characteristics, such as maturity, credit rating, and sector. For instance, if bond A yields 5% and bond C yields 7%, matrix pricing can interpolate that bond B will yield 6% given its similar attributes. Advantages of fixed income ETFs. Fixed income ETFs offer several benefits that address traditional bond market challenges. Cost efficiency. The increased secondary market activity narrows bid-ask spreads, even for large trades. Centralized liquidity. ETFs provide continuous pricing and transparency, consolidating a fragmented bond market into a single, observable venue. Enhanced flexibility. By trading on an exchange, ETFs enable fixed income investors to use equity-style order types, streamlining execution. ETF trading offers diverse strategies to investors across asset classes. By understanding pricing mechanisms, market overlaps, and tools like matrix pricing, investors can effectively navigate the complexities of international equity and fixed income ETFs. The ETF structure continues to enhance market transparency, cost efficiency, and flexibility, empowering traders in an evolving financial landscape.